What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you exactly how to scalp trade over on Phemex. Yes, Phemex is one of my favorite trading platforms, and in the previous bull run, I made a trade over $250,000 in profit. And for a lot of you watching this at home, that is completely life-changing. In this video, I want to share my tips, strategies, and techniques how to make small, quick trades with leverage over on Phemex. So we can see right here, guys, I opened a trade literally, I would say maybe 20 minutes ago, and already it's in $1,500 in profit, and I didn't even open this trade with that much capital. Yes, the trade is a rather large trade size of around $150,000, and it is on a 35x leverage. However, if you use the correct strategies, which I'm going to teach you in today's video, it allows you to go ahead and make minimal losses before getting a winning trade. So without any further ado, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. And guys, don't forget to comment down below, because every single Monday I am giving away $100 to one of you watching at home. So simply leave a comment, I'll choose a random video throughout the week, and that person will win $100 every single week. So drop your comments down below saying literally anything. So guys, if you haven't already got yourself an account with Phemex, in my opinion, this is one of the best platforms to be trading on this bull market. Why, you may ask? Well, first of all, there's absolutely no KYC. As of right now, I am in the US, I'm in America, and having to trade on another exchange would be an absolute headache. I would have to use VPNs, I would have to use all that other stuff, and it makes the website slow and laggy, and that is not what you want when you're trading crypto. So in my opinion, Phemex, one of the best exchanges. If you're in the US, Canada, America, it's the same thing as the US, I know, Australia, UK, wherever you are, you can trade on Phemex. All you have to do is scroll down on today's video and go ahead and check out this link right here. So there's actually a $7,000 deposit bonus if you meet the requirements, and of course you're going to have no KYC. So in my opinion, one of the best exchanges. I do want to talk about the method in which I used to make this quick trade right here, because I think it's going to be a really easy method. I am dabbling with the trading bots as well, which I'll have another video in the next few weeks. If you want to see that trading bot video, definitely stay tuned for that, because it's coming to the channel very soon. So the first thing I want to talk about is overall trend. If we take a look on the daily chart for Bitcoin, we can see that right here, if I zoom in right here, we can see that it's gotten rejected multiple times from this upper level. We can see right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here, and each time it's got rejected, it's had a major push to the downside. Now, you may think, Jack, why do you want to do a small scalp trade if you can in fact trade all of this price movement right here, all the way up from 73,000 down to around about 61,000? It's around a 16% trade. Again, if you were to trade that on 10x, that would be 160, 20x, over 300% profit. So you can start to see how trading with leverage can be very profitable if you know what you're doing. And that's the key thing. When you're trading with leverage on Phemex, risk management is almost more important than actually making the profitable trade, in my opinion. It's much better to control your risk than it is to gamble and just throw everything in there and make a stupid trade. So how I went ahead and identified this was, as I said previously, we know that the price is in fact going to be pulling back. We don't know how far it's going to pull back, because in the past we've seen a pullback here of only, from around 71 to around 67. It's still a large amount, but it's not as large as from 73 down to 53. That's a huge amount. We know it's going to pull back. We don't know what amount it's going to pull back for. It could pull back right here, and it could retest, and then in this case it pulled back again. However, when we were in fact sitting around about here, this is today's candlestick right there. It was actually this candlestick right here, which I opened on because of the time difference. This is set to UTC, and I'm not in UTC time. So we can see right there, when the price was in this range right here, I was thinking, okay, great, it's got rejected. I am going to be looking to short this. So first of all, we can see when it got rejected, it actually had a push towards the downside, and we have this confirmed break. We then had a retest right here, and this is what I was looking at, this specific retest. This is what most interested me right here. Let's make this a little bit bigger, because when I knew that we had a retest right here, and when I knew that this retest had in fact failed, So we can see right here, we had a push towards the downside. We had a retest right here. We made a lower high compared to here, a much lower high compared to here. I knew we would continue going further down. It's a very, very simple thing to understand in trading. And of course, in the short term, we know we're going down. It's only on the hour time frame I'm looking at right now, but I knew we were in fact going down. So again, I wanted to open a trade. So what did I do? I went over to Phemex, one of the best exchanges out there to make trades quickly without KYC, your name and your email. Simply send a deposit and you're up, ready to trade. And then what I went ahead did, when I saw that this retest right here, exactly right here, when I saw that this retest was lower than the previous one right here, I immediately thought, okay, that's a great opportunity for me to enter a short position. Now, what did I do? First of all, I went ahead and entered the position right here at 66,000. Let's get the exact price right here. Down here, I entered at 66,763. We can see right here, and I went ahead and put a stop loss very, very tight just above it, just in case the price changed quickly. Because we're trading on higher leverage right here, trading on 35x, I wanted to go ahead and make that stop loss very, very tight, so I'd only lose $100 or so. And again, the first time I actually got stopped out and I lost around $40, I believe $30. The second time I went ahead and executed the trade and went ahead and made some profit. We can see right here over $1,200 in profit. The price is pushing back towards the upside now. However, that doesn't really bother me because my stop loss here, if I get stopped out, I'll make around $600 profit. And honestly, it's not the end of the world, even if I do get stopped out, because once I'm in profit, I move my stop loss so I still make profit whatever happens. So even if I'm watching this video now and I get stopped out, yes, I could have had $1,500, but in my opinion, I wanted to go ahead and have the potential to make even more, since we are trading on high leverage. Honestly, if we are practicing good risk management, I would go ahead and close this trade right now, because we can see it didn't in fact make a lower low. So I'm going to close this trade right now. Confirm closing the trade, 1,100 profit, and we can see that trade is completely closed right now. I mean, you just saw that live. I wanted to close the trade simply because we can see right here on the 5-minute chart. I know it's only a 5-minute chart, but again, we're trading with very small time frames right here. And we can see that, in fact, right here, look at this wick. The wick came all the way down to $65,836. And this wick right here only came to 66,000. So we can see, yeah, 66,000. So we can see there's a big difference in the price, and we can see there's a massive difference from this lower. It did not, in fact, create a lower low, and that's why I wanted to quickly get out, take my $1,000 profit, $1,100 profit, and quickly move out. Again, if this pumps up right here, I may even do this live if there's still enough time on the video. If we see this pump up right here, and for example, we see a close right here, I will know, okay, great, we have not made a higher high. This would be another lower low. So again, what I would do, I would go ahead and enter a trade right here, and I would short it again on a higher leverage, 20, 30, 40, 50x, something like that. Of course, you have to understand, guys, this is super, super risky. And when you are entering this trade immediately, you have to have a stop loss on this trade, because it can move very, very quick on a 5-minute time frame. It can move lightning fast, and you don't want to get stopped out there. So again, if we see a pump to the upside, I would enter another trade, and I would see, is it going to make a new lower low? Is it going to go ahead and make a further a low past here or even past there? If it is, I'll leave the trade open. If I start to see it reverse somewhere in this range right here, I would say, okay, we could be seeing a trend reversal here. Again, this is on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Don't think anything long term. This is super, super short term. We could start to be seeing some form of a trend reversal. And if we go ahead and break this previous high right here, then we could go ahead and look to enter a very quick scalp long trade. So that's pretty much the fundamentals of it, guys. I did close around $1,100 profit in this video. Again, maybe it will go lower. It doesn't bother me, because if we do in fact break this low right here, I'll enter another trade, make another $1,000, $2,000, and you can start to see, even if you don't have a lot of money, even if you just have $500 or $1,000, if you use a higher leverage with a stop loss and you in fact keep your eyes monitored on that, you can start to make quite a lot of profit trading, scalp trading over on Phemex. So guys, if you do like these kinds of videos, definitely let me know down below. I would really appreciate that. Again, we see the price pushing a little bit higher on the 5-minute time frame. If you do like these kind of videos, all you have to do is scroll down in today's video and go ahead and join Phemex. As I said, in the previous bull market, I made over $250,000 trading on Phemex. It was a Bitcoin long trade. I made a long-term swing long trade. Currently, right now, on another exchange, I have a Bitcoin long trade open. I believe it's $30,000 or $40,000 in profit right now. And I opened that trade with just $4,000. So again, I know what I'm talking about when it comes to trading. Of course, I'm not perfect. Some trades I will lose. And if you lose some trades, don't beat yourself up about it, because it happens. Trading, you're not going to win every trade. Out of 10 trades, you might lose 3 or 4. But if you're winning 5, 6, 7 trades, then overall, hopefully you should be profitable if you have the correct risk management. So guys, if you would like to see any more about this, if you would like to see any more scalp trading videos, if you'd like to see some more live trading examples exactly like this, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. Of course, commenting on one of my videos enables you to win $100 for the giveaway, which I do every single Monday. So all you have to do is comment on this video and it will enter you for that giveaway every single Monday. If you want to check out more videos on the channel, you can indeed as well. And I'm very happy that I closed this trade, because it looks like we have a confirmed close on the 5-minute right there. And it looks like we could be seeing a push back towards the upside, probably in my opinion to retest this level right here. And again, just to recap, if we see it come up here and we see it top like so, and we see it come back down, I'm going to enter my trade around about here and short it again back down to this level. I do want to keep in mind that shorting in a bull market is more risky. However, if you're doing on short time frames, if you only want to be in and out in the space of a few minutes, it can be very profitable. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Again, don't forget to comment down below if you want to enter to win $100. Like this video if you like these kind of strategies. And of course, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.